How to schedule messages on iPhone. Hi guys, so in this video, I'll teach you how to schedule messages on iPhone. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, as you can see right here on our browser or on our messages, there is no button in order to schedule messages. So what we need to do is we need to head over to an app called Shortcuts. So here it is right here. So just head over to that app, and then from here you can see all the shortcuts that you have created. But what you need to click on is this automation right here. So once you have in here, just click on this plus icon. After that, just click on this create personal automation. And then from in here, what you need to do is you just need to head over and click on this message. So just click on message right here, and then in here you can just head over and just atomize it. However, you can also just click on this time of day, and then in here you just choose the time of day that you want. For example, you want it to be sunset or 3 hours before sunset. It actually depends on you, and you can repeat this daily. Just click on next. After you have done that, you can add an action. The action should be this send message. Just click on the plus icon and then just click on this message right here. So you can type in the message. For example, you can type in hello, and then just click on this recipients right here to choose the recipients of their message. So for example, you just want to send it to a person right here. Just click on their name right there and click on done. After that, just click on next right here. Then as you can see, at this time every day, it will send a message saying hello. And then make sure to disable this. Don't ask. After that, click on this done right here and it will be sent. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to schedule messages on iPhone. If you have questions, comments, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer them. Thanks.